Welcome back. In the last lesson, we learned how to communicate at the airport. Today, we're checking into a hotel. You will learn useful phrases, key vocabulary, and a practical conversation to help you feel more confident when booking a room or asking for help at the hotel. So, before we start, let's first go over the answers to the exercise from the last lesson. Here are the correct answers. Take a look and see how many you got right and keep practicing. Now, let's learn some important words you will hear at the hotel. Reception. Reception. It's the front desk where you're checking. Reservation. Reservation. Here, reservation means a hotel booking. But remember, you can also make a reservation at a restaurant, for a flight, or even for a theater show. Room key. Room key. A card or key to enter your room. Check in. Check in. Registered at the hotel. Check out. Check out. Leave the hotel and return the key. Single room. Single room. A room for one person. Double room. Double room. A room for two people. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Internet connection. Room service. Room service. Food delivery to your room. Now that we know the words, let's learn the most common phrases you will hear and use when staying at a hotel. Just listen carefully and you can pause the video if you want to repeat after me. Where is the reception desk? I have a reservation under the name of John. Can I get my room key, please? What time is check-in? What time is check-out? Do you have a single room available? Can I get the Wi-Fi password, please? How can I order room service? Where's the elevator? Is breakfast included? I need extra towels, please. Can I change my room? Now let's see how these phrases work in a real conversation.
Hello, I have a reservation under Anna Smith.
Welcome, Mrs. Smith. Let me check. Yes, we have your booking for a double room. Would you like a room on a higher floor?
Yes, please, that would be great.
No problem. Here is your room key. Your room is on the 5th floor. Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Got it. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the ground floor.
Perfect. Also, what's the Wi-Fi password?
The Wi-Fi password is written on this card.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Okay, now let's go through the conversation again. This time, you will take the role of Anna. Listen carefully and respond when it's your turn. Let's go.
Welcome, Mrs. Smith. Let me check. Yes, we have your booking for a double room. Would you like a room on a higher floor? No problem. Here is your room key. Your room is on the 5th floor. Checkout is at 11 a.m. Yes, breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the ground floor. The Wi-Fi password is written on this card. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Great job today. You've learned useful hotel phrases, practiced a real conversation, and explored different hotel situations. In the next video, we will move on to our next lesson, ordering food at a restaurant. Get ready to learn essential phrases for dining out. Keep practicing and building your confidence. See you in the next lesson.